OMG, hey bestie! Alright, couple things. Get in focus, please, thank you. One, my hair. Did it myself. Left the purple shampoo in for too long. Didn't finish my roots. We're gonna ignore it, you know? Hi, how are you, bestie? I'm back, oh my god, to review a brand new brand. I was actually like taken aback by how pretty the products are. It's a artistic makeup brand. They really go above and beyond with their packaging and their products. Like everything is just like literally everything that they do is based on something really cool. They just did a few collabs, a few eyeshadow palettes with the British Museum based off of a few things that they have, like the Eye of Horus. I want to share with you guys everything today. They have mascara, blush, highlight. I mean, everything that they do is absolutely stunning. They gave me a whole array of products to try for you guys. Today's video is sponsored by ZEESEA. All like opinions and everything that I feel is 100% my own. They told me just say how you feel, just try the products on camera. So I'm really excited to try them for you guys. Archie is playing with the bubble wrap next to me. They have 6 different palettes based around and inspired by the Egyptian collection in the British Museum, which I think is absolutely amazing. I already opened up one of them. Like, the packaging is absolutely stunning and it's just super cool. I don't see a lot of makeup brands these days doing this kind of interesting artistic take in makeup collections anymore. Like, you can open this up. Look at this presentation for a product. I don't know, it's just really cool. So I'm gonna try everything that's out today. I'll have everything linked down below. I'll have ZEESEA linked down below. 2 different blushes here. Got it. This is the Living Colorfully blush. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It like low-key matches my sign right there. It's like very like witchy and nostalgic. Ooh. It's a cute color. This is the shade 03. I like when companies do muted shades. I really like it. I think I'm gonna go into, you can't really tell the difference on camera, but they do have different undertones to them. This one's more orange, like more warm, and this one's more cool. So I think I'm gonna go into number 3. I like a brand that's confident in their products. Like, they're just like, just try it on camera. Like we promise you you're gonna like it. And I'm just like, okay, girl. Okay. Oh wow, applies a little bit more like vibrant on the cheek. I like it. So cute. Like, the packaging is so adorable. Like, what? This is so pretty. Okay, so moving on. They did send me a highlighter and I'm really excited to see what this looks like because I haven't seen this. It's the Dreamland Highlight Powder. Oh my god. I'm not, like, it's like heavy. It's so cute. You can't even see it, it's so bright. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the shade. It's super, it's like a champagne color. This is the shade S02. And it feels like nice. I'm gonna be honest with you, like, I don't want to generalize, but I noticed that a lot of like not mainstream brands kind of use the same formulas. I think I talked about it in my Halsey video. It's always like the same highlight formula and all that stuff, but you can tell this brand so far for me, like, this is a custom formula for sure. When you just play with makeup, you know what a custom formula feels like versus like what a, oh, so every bitch is doing this type of formula. It looks so pretty on the skin, like kind of like wet. It's not sitting on top of my skin either. It blended in really nicely, so that's good. Okay, period. Oh my god. I get really excited about cute things and brands that do stuff that's interesting because I never see it and I like it when it's good and not crap. And this is good so far. Oh my god, I'm so cute. I recommend the highlight 100%. Okay, like, let's get into the real tea. Okay, so I want to unpackage these eye products for you guys. I want to first go into the Palace Identity. It's by ZEESEA and it's inspired by traditional Chinese culture. And this was the one that I really saw go viral on TikTok. It's the Forbidden City collection, and I just wanted to see what it looks like real fast. Like, look at this. Like, look at, okay, first of all, look at the detail of the packaging. And you open it up. You open it up. Oh my god. Kind of feels like rice paper or like that. Why am I getting like teary-eyed? Like, I'm about to cry. It's so fucking pretty. Holy shit. This is so heavy. Like, this is heavy. Like, this is like Like the weight of your phone, like the weight of your phone. It feels as heavy as your phone. Like this is, holy sh. I don't even want to use this. I just want to save it. Bro, what the actual lipstick has like art. Okay, hold on. I need to recollect. You have to see this. A whole fucking dragon on the lipstick. I like, could you like having this on display? Like, I'm losing my shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of fucking losing my mind right now. This is fucking crazy. Like, the shades are stunning. Like, I don't want to swatch it. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it. I want to cry. I'm getting emotional. It's just like, you ever see stuff so pretty and beautiful, like you get emotional about it? That's how I feel about these like, look at this. Like, come on. Who is doing this? Even the box it comes in is suede. Like, I wouldn't even throw away the box. I would keep the box too and keep it on display. The box is gorgeous. This is the eyeliner. Same spiel. Like, this is eyeliner. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. There's like Chinese letterings, just like holographic, but just like in the product. And you get like this paper in there, and even the paper you don't want to throw away. It's like this beautiful gold. The eyebrow pencil, like, what? I don't know, like, who's making an eyebrow pencil this pretty? I'm gagged. I'm so gagged right now. So now I'm just gonna go into and show you guys the eyeshadow palettes they had sent me from the British Museum collection, and we're gonna pick one out together, okay? Alright. The details that they put on the packaging and everything, like, oh wow, that's stunning. It's embossed too. This is raised. It comes with a little, oh, what the hell? Oh, this mirror a little bit too HD for me, but look at these shades. I'm gooped. And the stamps in them. I'm at a loss for words. I know this is the Eye of Horus. I used to draw this symbol all the time as a kid. Again, it has the nice little, oh, this one's like more everyday with a pop of yellow. Super pretty. They all have these beautiful stamps. This has the Eye of Horus in it right here. Yeah, this one's the more natural one. This one's more everyday. They went above and beyond, or they go above and beyond for this stuff. Like, this is insane. The packaging, all of it feels super luxurious, and all of it's affordable. This is pretty affordable makeup, you guys. Like, I'm not kidding. So we have this one. We have this one next. And then the inside probably has my favorite because it's full of pinky tones, and I love pink tones. We have this one lastly. And then we have these two palettes. I know, you guys, there's so many palettes that I'm showing you, but keep up. These two palettes that are based off the museum. It's the Dreamland eyeshadow. Oh my god, the box is like indented. And there's like moving glitter on it. Oh, the packaging has a... Please, like, who is doing cool shit like this? So the palette comes with a brush that looks pretty nice. The shades in it are pretty cool as well. Yeah, like, what the hell? Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes. I think I'm going to go into this palette right here. I'm going to go into this one because it has some red tones in it, and I'm feeling kind of red today. And I really want to try this pink shimmer right here. If I need to, I'm going to go into this one as well, just for the sake of it. So I'm going to go into this shade right here and put it as my crease color. Yeah, period. Like, this is so high quality. Like, there's so much effort in this. Like, even the product formulation is nice and like high quality. Like, I'm standing. It blends out really nice too. A little goes a long way. Like, that was just one dip in. I'm gonna use a different brush to blend it out some more because I was not expecting so much to go a long way. I was kind of not expecting it to do that. Oh my god. Wow. So I'm gonna go into this darker red right here. Kind of deepen it up a little bit more. They're so pigmented. So I'm gonna take this like pinky shade and put it all over my lid. Oh wow, it's like a red with like pink reflect in it. That's so like interesting. Can you see that pink reflect to it? It's kind of hard to show up on camera, but Has this like really pretty pink reflect to it. And then on the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna put this gold shade. Actually, I think I'm gonna put some of the gold on my eyelid too. Pretty. It's like very natural and subtle, and I like it. It's like makes my eye wet, like gives like this wet eye illusion. I forgot to mention that they have these liquid eyeshadows as well and a glitter liner. This is what they look like. They're really, really pretty. They look like liquid highlighter almost. They sent me these 3 shades, but this white glitter eyeliner one is really pretty, so I'm just gonna add it very lightly to the top of my eyelid just for some extra sparkle. Period. I like that it has no base to it, so it's just glitter. You can just put glitter on any shadow and it just goes with anything. It's their 06 shade. So they have this colorful mascara. Oh my gosh, it's glittery mascara or like shimmery mascara. That's so interesting. I'm not gonna use that today. I'm just gonna go in with their regular mascara because I'm gonna do lashes today, but they do sell a bunch of colorful mascaras on their site. This is the mascara. I'm gonna put my lashes on real fast and do my mascara, and then be back with lips. Okay, so now that I have my eyes done, I'm just going to go into M05 from the Dragon, this little dragon lipstick. It's this very beautiful kind of deep red. Oh my god, it feels so creamy and nice. The formula feels amazing applying it on my hand. So I'm just gonna line my lips with MAC Auburn. Okay, so now, that smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I love vanilla smelling lipsticks. Oh my god, it's so soft and creamy. I haven't done a red lipstick in so long. It's so out of my comfort zone. This formula feels so nice. What the hell? Oh my god, this red is so out of my comfort zone. I'm so not used to red lipsticks. Like, I just don't think I like look good and red lipsticks, but this is the finished look, you guys. Like, I really loved these products. Like, everything I tried was just so beautiful and creative and nice, and I honestly recommend pretty much everything that I tried. Like, these lipsticks are beautiful just to have lying around or just like sitting on your desk or just like as display. It's just fucking gorgeous, especially if you have like gold accent in your house or apartment. I mean, all the palettes, everything I tried was just really high quality. It felt high quality, it felt heavy and expensive, and it's a really affordable brand. Honestly, like, I really recommend ZEESEA Cosmetics. They're a really artistic and creative brand, and I would recommend checking out ZEESEA. I'm definitely interested in seeing what they keep releasing, and I'm now a fan of this brand. Like, I am actually going to try and get the rest of this collection, the Palace Identity collection. But yeah, the blush, everything, it was just really, really nice and great. Like, I enjoyed working with all of this, and it was really fun to unpack. Like, it made makeup fun again, which is something that I feel like a lot of products are lacking now. Like, and then on top of that, the products are super nice and high quality. Like, I don't know, I just think this brand is completely worth it. It's completely recommended by me, and I'm not just saying that because they are sponsoring today's video. Like, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Do not forget to leave a like and comment down below how you felt about all these products. Let me know some of your ideas for any other videos. And check out all the links down below. I'll link all the products that I loved trying, and I'll be sure to just have everything linked down below so you guys can see it and find it for yourself. And yeah, I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.